Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another Dollar Tree haul, and although I know Valentine's is here and almost gone, I found some really good things that I wanted to share with you. I can use these in other crafts or future Valentine's crafting, as well as some other things. So if you are subscribed to my channel, thank you for coming back. If you are not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know every time I download a video. First, I will start with the Valentine's scores that I found, and although I did not use all of these, I have these ready and in my stash for future projects and future decor and other things as well. I fell in love with this kissing booth ticket sign, and I grabbed two of them, so I did put one out in my foyer as a decoration and another one to craft with. I found these heart marshmallows, and I did make some really cute bubblegum jars, or Gumball machines, I should say, and I will link that video in the description below. But I made one that said marshmallow kisses and stuck that inside. And then I was so excited to find this heart-shaped cupcake pan. Being a baker, this is great for me, and so I grabbed one of these. And then I always like to have like the tinsel hearts and all that, and I really liked how this was a double, so I basically got 2 hearts for one, so I thought that was quite a score, so it went right in my basket. Let's move on to the Easter scores I found. Now I know it's a little soon to be thinking of Easter, but this is the time of year when Dollar Tree has their best Easter candy out. So I took advantage of it, saw some really great stuff, and I grabbed it. Things that I've never seen before, like the blow pops. I love these little Tootsie Balloon pop things, whatever you want to call them. I love these, so I grabbed them, and they had sour ones and regular, so I grabbed them to put into my grandkids Easter basket. And then some other candies, they had the Easter Mike and Ike's, which I thought were great. And then what kid doesn't love Mike and Ike's? The Reese's Pieces, those aren't typically just for Easter, those are for like movie time. But these blow pop bags, they're like mini blow pops, not on a stick, obviously. There was only 2 left. I grabbed both of them. I've been back since, and I still can't find them. So if you see these things, even though Easter's far away, you score those as fast as you can, because they might not get them back. Now I do every now and then go down the food aisle to see what I can snag, and because Super Bowl is here, I thought it would be great to have a couple cans of nacho cheese so that we can have some tortilla chip nachos. And so that was just a little side thing. Now on to the crafting products that I found. Paintbrushes galore. As I told you, I ruined my paintbrushes really bad because I use them all for Mod Podge. So I just grabbed a couple extra sets of paintbrushes because those are always great to have on hand. And as you can see in the background, I found more of my glue sticks. Like I said, they're long. I love them, and every time I go there, I buy more of them. Then I found this super glue that I'm hoping will bond almost like the Loctite. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. So I just grabbed one of these. Then I saw the wood glue that I saw a couple of fellow YouTubers talking about. So I thought I'd grab this little bottle. It's a perfect size for me to give it a try. So I will let you guys know what I think of that. And then, of course, like I said before, my glue sticks that I buy every single time I go to the Dollar Tree because I never want to run out. And then I found some more of that beautiful lace ribbon that I love. I don't know why I love this so much. It's just easy to tie, and I don't know. I just love it. It's very Victorian, or it's just a nice look. Always grab my little candlestick holders. These also are what I use for my gumball jars. Again, I will link that video in the description below. And then I have some birdhouse stuff that I've seen other YouTubers making. So I grabbed a few of these, and I think I need to go back and grab a few more because I keep finding more and more projects. So that gives you a little hint of what I want to do with this one. So I will definitely go back and grab a few more of these. And then we have these rocks that I found. Well, these are the buttons. Sorry, went to the wrong one. And these were kind of like they had just started unpacking them, and there was just a few of them sitting on top of a box. They're all black buttons, but different buttons, so I grabbed them. And then they had 2 packs of these heavy lava rocks. And I was like, wow, I have never seen these before. And it is like a 5-pound pack, I believe. And I grabbed both of them. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I grabbed them both because they're really, really nice. And then I found these chalk book sticker label type things. It's like a whole sheet. And I grabbed a couple of those. I had seen a fellow YouTuber using those as well. Then they have these laser cut wood cutouts. Gosh, I really need some coffee. These laser cutouts. So I grabbed them because those are perfect for crafting as well. They have a ton of them now. So these are just the 2 I grabbed right this minute, but I will definitely go back and get some more. And are you ready for my big score? It is rare that you see name brand items in there. There was a box that had 4 of these. These are mainstay. So I believe that these are Target brand, or no, maybe Walmart brand. I'm sorry. 4 of these are the big fluffy cotton-like yarn, and I thought, oh my gosh, these are perfect for wreaths, DIYs. Literally, there was 4 of them. It was my lucky day when I saw these. I never saw any more of them, so I grabbed all 4. You cannot beat that for $1.25 each. And then I found these really pretty floral bundles, and I definitely want to go back and grab some more of these because these are my absolute favorite. They're made very well, and they are just going to be great for the spring decor. So I wish I would have grabbed more. I hope they still have them when I go back because I'm definitely going to get a few more. Now moving on, here's a few other things that I found. I got my mop heads for my famous gnomes. I make them for every season and throughout the year. They are very popular. I always use the beans. And hey, it doesn't ever hurt to have some extra dry beans on hand. So I grabbed the dry beans to go along with the mops or just to have in my pantry. But I definitely use these to make my gnomes. We'll link my gnome video in the description box below. I like to have these LED emergency candles on hand, and they seem to be back in the 2-pack. For a while there was only 1. Now there's 2. Those are great for crafting. I found this Easter ribbon that I thought was really cute. I just grabbed 1 because I do know that Easter's a little bit away, but I'm going to start crafting for that. So I guess I'm showing you how many of the lace ribbons I found. And then I found this laundry room sticker, and I thought that this would be really cool to make a sign with. So I went ahead and grabbed it. Even though I have a Cricut, I like how this is already done, and I can just create something with it. So we will see how that goes. I will try to make a video when I make that sign. They had these planters, and the first thing I thought of was topiary. Is that how you say it? So I bought them. Not sure that I'm going to use them for that, but I went ahead and grabbed them because they are not something that they have year-round, yet you can use these year-round for crafting and other things. And that's about it for this haul. I found a lot of amazing things. Like I said, super cute. Yes, Valentine's is here and almost gone. But definitely things that I can use throughout the year. I was so stoked when I found the Easter candy. I'm going to keep going back to see what they get in just because it is so far ahead. It's usually when the good stuff comes out. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share some finds that you find at your local Dollar Tree, and I will start sharing with you the name brands that I find every time I go. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, the like button, leave a comment, hit that notification bell. Please feel free to share the video and help my channel to grow. And until next time, next video, God bless everyone.